How to redeem Krisflyer Miles on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can redeem Krisflyer Miles on Singapore Airlines. So you can always do this because Singapore Airlines offers various ways or several ways to redeem your Krisflyer Miles for various benefits. And the first step is for you to log in into a Krisflyer account. If when you are logged in, you'll see your Krisflyer membership number here, as well as the number of miles that you have available. So the next step or the next thing you can do is to move to the top right corner where you can see some options such as the help option, feedback, country and language, and then below that you can see your profile icon. Once you can see this, click on it. Once you click on the profile icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you would see account summary, book flights, bookings, check-ins, etc. Just go ahead and click on miles. So by the time you click on mouse, you'll be directed to the mouse page. On this page, you can see your name, your email, number of miles you have, some tabs which include account summary, book flights, miles, bookings, check-ins, favorites, profile, messages. So just go ahead and click on mouse. So after clicking on mouse, you can also see other options. So just go ahead and select how to use. How to use is next to how to earn. Okay. So once you're on the how to use page, you can now see redeem miles, right? The next for you to do is wait for it to load so that you can see the several ways of redeeming miles. So the first step is that you can use your miles to pay for flights. All right, you can use your miles to pay for flights. You can use it to also upgrade your flight. For example, here you can see the different kind of flights available. The flights under class, award tickets, what flights, as well as your journeys and everything. But the reason why this is not available currently for me is because I have 0 miles available at the moment. And by the time you scroll down, you also see your miles calculator for you to calculate how many miles you need for an award flight or to upgrade to your favorite destinations using your miles. And then you can also see another way. You can mix miles and cash on flycodes.com. That is, you can use your Krisflyer miles to pay for all or a part of your next Scoot flight purchased through FlyScoot. Another way is you can also redeem your flight or use your flights to pay for over 300,000 hotels or 29,000 car rentals firms worldwide for your next road trip and all of that. And also, you can also make use of your Krisflyer miles to offset your purchases on krisshop.com. And you can see other redemption options such as FlyG, SO, Capital Star, etc. So these are the various ways you can use your Krisflyer flight on miles on Singapore Airlines. These are the various ways you can redeem your Krisflyer miles on Singapore Airlines. So just try any of these out and you are good to go. So remember to check the specific terms and conditions for each redemption option. So have a good time redeeming your miles. Have a good day.